So here's the deal. If you approach someone like this, what does that tell them? That tells them you want to fight them, right? So here's the thing. If you're at school at recess and a teacher sees you doing this, they think, uh-oh, that looks like they're fighting. But if you do this, it's more like you're defending yourself. So I want everyone to do this. So we're going to do self-defense position. So have your hands out like this. Now here's the thing. If your hands are this far, you can easily block your head. You can easily throw punches if you have to. Okay, but you want to start like this. So everyone go ahead, have your hands out like this. Good, awesome. All right, we're going to practice a palm strike. So we're going to use this hand, and we're going to hit straight out like this, okay? So everyone have your hands a little bit out. Good, all right, everyone repeat after me. Everyone say jab.
Jab.
Good, nice. Now we're going to do the other hand now. Cross.
Cross.
Good, jab.
Jab.
Good, cross. Good, jab.
Jab.
Good, cross.
Cross.
One more, jab.
Jab.
Cross.
Cross.
Good job. All right, put a hand back in the face. Good, all right, now this time when I say go, we're going to go jab, cross, 2 strikes. Ready, go. Jab, cross. Good, go. Jab, cross. Good, go. Jab, cross. Good, let's see you can be the fastest. Ready? If you're bouncing on your feet, you're twice as good. Ready, go.
Jab, cross.
Nice, very good job, you guys. All right, ready yet? Awesome, okay, all right.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Kelley, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along the progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt and uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.